Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah, we are going to discuss about joints and subqueries. Let's see what are they. Uh, First of all, we must know about what is joints. In joints operation, we can combine the more than one tables or one itself table also. Okay, that can retrieve the data as we are specifying particular conditions or based on the column satisfaction. Okay, these are the particular join operations, that is Cartesian join, simple join, self join and outer join, etc. Let's see what are they and what how it works. Okay, in Cartesian join products, let's see if there is a two sets, that is A and B. In two sets, that is means A denoted by a small a, that is like A belongs to uh, A and B belongs to B, like this. Here, for example, in set suppose A, B, C is a set A, and the second one is set B. There is a elements like 1, 2. Then have Cartesian product sets perform like this. See here, Cartesian of A, B equal to A comma 1 and A comma 2. That is 1, and B comma 1 and B comma 2, and C comma 1 and C comma 2. Like in set A, only two elements are there, that is A and B, and set B there is a three elements, that is like 1 and 2. Okay, here A and B and C is belongs to A, set A, and 1 2 are is belongs to B. Okay, these called Cartesian product sets. Okay, that's called multiplication or product of a particular two sets. Okay, next we will say a simple join operation. Simple join is one of the it gives a simple like this equality between the two tables or itself also. Let's see what are the simple join operations. Select all, that is star, from EMP table and department table, where EMP dot department number and department dot department number, it's a is two tables and department numbers. If it is satisfied, it retrieves the particular columns, that is all, means two tables will combine and lot of productivity tables, and that means which one is satisfied. Suppose if a department number is 111 and here department number is also here in this table, department table is a 111. If it is both of, if it is satisfied, it will be retrieved to one particular column. And in this example, let's see, we can also give equal or like this also. That means a less than and greater than symbol, it's also one of the equality, as a that's called a simple join operation. Okay, that will be combined and relation between the any simple two tables. Okay, let's see next join operation, that's called self join. Okay, self join means if any table that will be retrieve and satisfy their own table in self satisfaction, that's called if we join one table itself is called a self join. Let's see how it perform. Select all, that's are from emp dot e1. That means emp is a table name, e1 is a alias name, comma, and emp is also once again same as a table name, and emp2 as a second alias name of a emp table. e1 is also alias name and e2 also another alias name, where emp1 is the first alias name dot department number is equal other grade. If we will whatever we want to specify the particular condition, if it is equality, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, whatever we want to give. Okay, let's see. emp1 dot, that is the alias name of emp, department number equal to emp2 is a department number. If the board will be satisfied, that will retrieve a particular data. That means a table that can satisfy himself also. That's called self join operation. Next one, outer join. Outer join will perform two tables. like let's see, suppose it will retrieve the records of two tables based on the equijoin condition along with the display of records which does not matching the another table like this. See here, the symbol of outer join is plus like this. Select all from emp first table 1 comma and table 2, where emp dot department number plus and department number 2, and that means we can also display emp and also and department number. If the both are equality, the both are equal, it will be satisfied and displayed as a particular columns and data. That means emp dot department number like this, a department number like this, 111, 222, or something like 1001, 1002, 1002, and department number is also 1001 like this. Okay, if both are satisfied, these two, this is called outer join. This table can satisfy with this table column, department number equal to that, like this table department number. Okay, these are all outer join operations. The next one is left outer join. Left outer join is a simple way. That is, left outer join is if there is a two tables, like one is a left table or another table is a right table. Okay, see here how to join the two tables. Okay, join operation allows to satisfy the join clause. Okay, join is a clause. It preserves the unmatched row from the left. Unmatched row means it's just like a intersection, one table of intersection, the left one table, and join them into a null row as a null row of shape of second right. That's meant table 2. Okay, intersection of left one and null is not matching is a null content of a right table. This is called left outer join. Okay, this is also one of the outer join, but it preserves left unmatched rows. Okay, let's see syntax. Table expression, that's called a table name. Okay, left outer join and table expression. Whether you want to give a particular expression, or either you want to give on a particular boolean expression, is a true or false, or like this. Let's see the example. Select a city is a table name, a country is a attribute, and city name is a particular, and region is a one of the attribute is means column. Okay, from countries table, left outer joins is a countries is a one of the table name. It applies to left outer join to the cities table on this condition. Okay, cities dot country dot iso dot code is equal to countries dot same as a country underscore iso code, where the particular region is equal Asia also. Okay, a city and countries table. Okay, this condition will be the first preference of left join and right unmatched rows. Okay, that's called null values. Okay, this is called left outer join. And next one is right outer join. This is quite a reverse of left outer join. Okay, the first, let's see what how it perform. This is also a left outer join is one of the keyword. It returns all the rows from the right side table. Let's see right outer join with the matching rows in the left table. The resultant is null, is a left side where there is no matching. Okay, if it is retrieves null values, that there is no matching values. Okay, let's see the syntax. Okay, select the column name of a particular table and right outer join or right join second table on this particular condition if it is satisfied, and based on the condition, that means on column name equal to the second one column name and second column where the condition, if it is less than, greater than, or equal or something. Let's see the example. Select total amount is a particular column name, and first name is another column name, last name, and city and country. From order is a table name. Okay, order is a table name, O is alias name. Okay, a right outer join as a customer C. customer is a table name, C is a alias name. On this called outer dot customer ID equal to customer dot ID. If these condition will be satisfied, that means if it is existed, the where amount is null. If any particular column, that is called total amount column, will is column value is null, is this condition will be satisfied, it perform on these particular values. That is customer ID is equal to customer ID, that's order customer ID and customer ID. Okay, this is called right out join. It preference like just like it preference like just second table means right side table preferences. Okay, that's called right outer join. Next, inner join. Inner join is a very simple way we can also retrieve that. That means inner join is one of the clause. It creates a new resultant of combining the columns like two tables, like table 1, table 2, based on the join predict operation, and that's called a predicate logic. It can perform on the predicate logic. Okay, a query compass each row of a particular row 1 and row 2. That's called it pairs the two tables rows. Let's see how it performs. Okay, first of all, let's see the syntax of inner join. Here select table 1 dot column 1 column 2 something like this and so on, and from table 1 inner join. Okay, inner join and table 2 on this condition. This condition means this particular operation. Table 1 column filled and is equal to table 2 column filled. And okay, this is called inner join. Okay, these two can combines results just like a product operation. Okay, let's see next concept is subqueries. A subquery is a nested query. That means query within the query is called a subquery. Okay, in this subquery we can also use these operations. These operations, suppose we can use select and insert, update or delete. These operations can perform on subqueries. Let's see how it performs based on particular condition expressions also. Let's see. Syntax of subquery is select column names from the particular table where in the value of in means in this particular first table values, select column names. It will be displayed on the resultant screen from the this table where value in. That means these two are matching. That means let's see, suppose column name is equal to column names. That means suppose wherein means suppose here is one of the let's see the example. Okay, if any one table the names are something like John, Scott, any Smith, like this, and another table is table 2 also. There is one of the Smith, Scott, any Vijay, Gopi, Sunita, like this. If two tables in the it prefers the first table column values and it's also in, that means if there is a Scott and Smith, if both are satisfied, that values will be retrieved to resultant. Okay, that's called a subquery. What are the main conditions of a particular subqueries? Okay, let's see the select command. Okay, it retrieves the values from the particular table or combination of tables from these clauses. The regular expression of retrieving the data from the particular schema. Okay, we can select from particular tables and we can give a particular clauses like where, group by, having, something like sorted, some. These are the main clauses for using the subqueries. Whatever you want to retrieve a particular condition. Okay, these are the main clauses, and these are the main expression values. Means where expression means not in on, like this. Okay, we can also perform a particular subquery based on these in, on, something, these conditions or these particular expression conditions. Okay, exist, is not exist, like this. Okay, let's see the example. Okay, select